Take command of the road in the 2015 Infiniti QX60. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Infiniti prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, a power seat, heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, and much more. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.